play and have a good time. So, she's cracking me up with.
You got a puppy you can have it in that left arm.
Hey, this looks fun.
Okay. Alright, once again, feel free to take a comfortable seat if you don't want to lay down because they're going to try to heat your hair and push your face to death. I totally get that too.
It's in there. It's on that link. Yeah, it directs you right there. Okay, should we do?
Probably be a finite
An
resource.
uprising of the poor.
We are in line, and the line is long.
I can use magic, but I have to keep it in secret so that the rich don't buy me up.
What are you
kind of deal, and we have to
Do you want the
gather our
mic?
masses so that we can overthrow the rich.
That works. You could just flip it, but
Typical stuff. The version I would think would be the most realistic would be
My kingdom is great.
so that like
Long live the king.
So
here we have Dirk cosplaying as his usual, average white dude,
versus like
the gray man.
some people are just
like,
born.
Hoskins, what are you?
I am a merchant traveler with a ring that I found a long time ago just laying.
It's probably cursed.
That's a totally cursed ring. Ryan, what are you?
I think the general consensus is, that I'm a cleric on vacation.
On vacation? You're like super cash.
Yeah. So I'm just, enjoying the sights, the scenery, and just hoping nobody gets too injured.
I know. It's more of a direct mic than that.
Cicada.
It's not a cicada. My heritage.
Am I Welsh? Yeah, I am Welsh.
Technically, I'm Welsh royalty. I'm related.
I seek the Grail. Show me where the Grail is, stranger.
Grill for you, sir.
You now have
This is me.
Julie now has
I'm a princess
it knows.
with Blundstones.
The animal creatures.
We're about to watch jousting. It's happening. I don't know if you can hear me over the wind at all.
Boots are pretty short too. They're not like tall boots or anything. Could not ask for a better day. Yeah, really.
I can't even see it.
A must at a Ren fair.
Kind of guys higher than you, Caleb.
Good morning. Long time no see. I am happy to announce that we are going to the lake this weekend. It's going to be a fun little lake trip. It'll be the first time that I'm getting out on the water. I was supposed to paddleboard a couple weekends ago and then it rained. As you might be able to tell by the lighting in my room, it is also raining currently and it is supposed to rain tomorrow. But it's been a busy few weeks, so I'm very excited to get to lounge by the water for a little bit and kind of chill out. And I'm a big lake girly. I'm more of a lake girly than a beach girly. I've baked a lot for this trip. I baked hamburger buns, cinnamon rolls, and bagels. So it's a very baking heavy trip as well. We're taking a lot of food. We're going to Airbnb, so we're going to cook and stuff. What else to tell you? I don't know. I don't have much else to share, but let's go to the lake.
See, this is what I feel like my 30s are gonna. The difference when people are like, "Oh man, I can't believe I'm 30." I feel like now that I'm 30, I can do stuff like.
Oh, I couldn't reach it there.
Less greedy because we were up to get down.
You have more of a chance. You just sit in 7 cars. You have more of a chance of having a year straight.
Right there.
Wait, hold on. Where?
That one, right there.
Wasn't it further up last year?
Yeah.
I'm
I didn't hear anything beep.
All right.
We got plenty of gas, right?
He just filled up.
Yeah.
We'll make sure. There's fewer of them.
Is there a goose Pokemon?
That is the one I'm thinking of, I think.
That's a dragon. They're not geese.
But the clouds kind of look like these.
No.
Is that why we evolved into Alterians?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I got you.
I think it's signal.
Wi-Fi.